Hey everyone, today we are diving into a fun and useful tutorial on how to change personas and character AI. Whether you are looking to explore new personalities or just want to switch things up, this guide will help you do it in no time. Let's get started. So, what exactly is a persona and character AI? A persona is a set of characteristics and a behavior that define how an AI character interacts with you. It can completely change the tone, style, and even the content of your conversation. Think of it like changing the costume of character in a play. Same AI but different personality. Changing the persona is super easy. First of all, let's open the character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. Once you are inside the character app, you can see this type of interface. Now tap on profile icon in top right corner. It's over here. And this will open you the profile, and now you can see a setting icon or a gear icon in top right corner. Tap on it too, and that will take you to the setting. And on your settings section, you can see an option for persona, which is just below your bio. You can see it over here. Tap on it and it will take you to the persona. So I have made one persona over here, that's called love. And if you are feeling creative, you can also customize your own persona. For that, you can tap on create new and create your own persona. You can change the name, the greeting, and even the way the AI responds to your question. It's like designing your own virtual friend. Now let's see how it works. Let's go back to the chat section. And by the way, you can see the persona on the chat section too. And this is my chat section. Let's change the persona in a chit chat, which is over here. Tap on it and this open the chat section. Now tap on the profile of the character and this will take you to their profile. And over here you can see an option for persona. Tap on it, and as I said earlier, I have created a persona called love. Tap on it, and now it says success, the persona used for the chat with the cheese. Let's go back. Let's talk with it again. So the cheese became a mix of cheese characteristics that it have and the love characteristics. You will further know about it after you start interacting with it. And that was the whole process. And that's it for today's tutorial. Changing personas and character AI is a breeze and it can really enhance your experience. Whether you are looking for a new way to brainstorm ideas or just want a different chat buddy, this feature has got you covered. And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.